Sharma side, a 24-year-old thin guy, have a beloved parents and a lovely brother, a sports enthusiast, a football lover, a telemarketer turned to an affiliate marketer, and now a YouTuber. My vision is to help people to start their online journey and help people how to start their online earning, how they can earn online. That's something about me. Today I am just here to share with you something about influencer marketing. What is influencer marketing? What is the benefit of influencer marketing in 2020? I just want to say that if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel, press the notification bell, like it, share it, and comment it. Okay, let's start our video. As I said that influencer marketing, what is influencer marketing, and it is how it is important in 2020 or 2020. First of all, I just want to say it in a simple language that what is influencer marketing. It means just that if you are for example, you are a person who have a good knowledge in email marketing, or in a health niche, or in a pet niche, or any of the niche you have a good knowledge, and you are sharing your knowledge with the people, and the people are trusting you. If you trusting, it means that people react to any of the information or any of the content you provide to them. The people will react to it. I mean to say, they will like your content or comment on the content means on any of your social media. If you are putting any content, then they will like it, comment it, share it. Maybe it can be your group or something like that. If the people or your community who are trusting you, and if you are recommending any product, like you are recommending that I am using this product, and the product is good, if anyone is interested, they can use the product. For example, if you are a person who have a good knowledge in email marketing, and you have a good community, good followers, like you have 5,000 followers, 50,000 followers, or 1 lakh followers, who trust on you, who react to your content whenever you post it, then the community will trust you. And whenever you will recommend any product, like any email marketing product, or if you are in the health niche, then any health related product, they will trust you. Then it means you have the following and you are the influencer. Then if I say that for example, you are an influencer, and I have a email marketing tool, and if I come to you and I say that please recommend this product to your followers, and if you through you any of the sales comes to me, then you will get this much amount of money. That means you now you will recommend that product, means my product, to your followers, that your followers can use that, or the product is good. So you are just recommending my tool to your followers, or to your audience, that you can use the product is good. That is known as influencer marketing, as your followers or audience will trust you and purchase the product. That is known as influencer marketing. It is not like just like selling is not known as influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is some audience trust the person who have a good knowledge in any of niche, and they purchase any product on the basis of the trust. That is known as influencer marketing. As I given the example of email marketing tool, that is something like influencer marketing. और अब अगर मैं आपको थोड़ा सा हिंदी में समझाऊँ, जैसे कि मैंने इंग्लिश में समझा, उसी तरीके से अगर थोड़ा सा हिंदी में समझाऊँ तो फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हम ले लेते हैं, पहले की बात करें, अगर पास्ट में क्या होता था, जब इंटरनेट इतना यूज़ में नहीं था, लोग इंटरनेट पे नहीं थे, तब क्या होता था कि जो भी सेलिब्रिटीज़ होते थे, मैक्सिमम ब्रांड्स या जो बड़ी कंपनीज़ होती थी, वो सिर्फ जो बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज़ होते थे उनके पास ही जाते थे इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग कराने के लिए। पर अब क्या हो रहा है, जैसे जैसे इंटरनेट ग्रो कर रहा है, लोग फॉलो करते हैं कुछ भी सीखने के लिए या किसी भी नीश में जो अच्छा कर रहा है उसको हम फॉलो करते हैं, कोई भी पर्सन फॉलो करता है तो वो एज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर काम कर सकता है, तो उसके पास ब्रांड्स जा सकती है। जैसे कि फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अब हम बात करें कि फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल मैं एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग या मैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में कुछ अच्छा काम कर रहा हूँ, मेरी अच्छी ऑडियंस है, मान लो 50,000 या लाख लोग मुझे फॉलो करते हैं, तो कोई भी कंपनी या कोई भी ब्रांड अगर मेरे पास आती है और मैं एज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर आगे मैं अपनी ऑडियंस को या मेरे फॉलोअर्स को रिकमेंड करता हूँ, तो मैं एक इन्फ्लुएंसर हुआ। ये सिंपल सी लैंग्वेज में एक इन्फ्लुएंसर होता है। इन्फ्लुएंसर और सेल्स पर्सन में बहुत डिफरेंस होता है। साइकोलॉजी होती है, जो सेल्स पर्सन होता है वो सेल करने की कोशिश करता है, बेचने की कोशिश करता है, जबकि एक इन्फ्लुएंसर होता है वो सजेस्ट करता है या रिकमेंड करता है। उसको और सिंपल बनाऊँ तो जैसे अमिताभ बच्चन हैं, वो नवरत्न तेल की एडवर्टीज़मेंट करते हैं, तो वो हमको रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं क्योंकि उनकी फ़ैन फॉलोइंग अच्छी है, लोग उनके ऊपर ट्रस्ट करते हैं, वो एज एन उनके नीश एक्टिंग में बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, तो उस बेसिस पे लोग उनको ट्रस्ट करते हैं और उसी बेसिस पे लोग वो जो रिकमेंड करते हैं वो चीज़ परचेज करते हैं। तो वो एक इन्फ्लुएंसर हुए, जो कि पहले होता था, अभी भी होता है, लेकिन पहले होता था और अभी है। जो ब्रांड्स हैं वो बड़े इन्फ्लुएंसर्स या बड़ी सेलिब्रिटीज़ के अलावा जो छोटे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं जो किसी नीश में अच्छा कर रहे हैं उनको भी अप्रोच कर रही है। So this is something about influencer marketing, and in 2020 it is important because as we all know, overall market is growing on internet. All the things are going online. Maybe offline shops, they are also trying to reach to the online customers, and as internet is booming, online market is booming, all the from small to big thing, all the things are going towards internet. So if any of the person who is influencer and any of small business is approaching the influencer, then the business will get the benefit that the expense of advertisement or reaching to the people will decrease as he is approaching the small influencer, because the big influencers like celebrities, they are much costlier as compared to the small influencers. So the small business will get the benefit of less advertisement expense. Influencer will get the benefit of as he is getting some amount or some part of the money from the small business, and the customer is getting the best quality product. As internet is going to boom and all the from small to big, all businesses are on the social media or internet, it is very important that influencer marketing is going to boom. As I just want to add one more thing, that affiliate marketing is also something like this. Just you have to recommend the product. You just don't want to sell the product, you just have to recommend the product, that I am using the product is good. If any of the any of my audience or followers is interested in purchasing the product, then they can purchase the product. So that's something about influencer marketing, and what's the importance of influencer marketing in 2020. So this is Malay Sharma, a 24-year-old thin guy. I have my beloved parents and a lovely brother. My parents who will always fight with me for myself. I am a sports enthusiast and a football lover. I am a telemarketer, turned to an affiliate marketer, and now YouTuber. I just have a vision to help the people to start their online journey and help the people to start their online earning. So that's something about me. That's it about today's video. Okay, bye.